Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial about how to use screen recording on PowerPoint. I will start by opening a PowerPoint file. I will pick a blank presentation. I'm putting the title here. I will remove this one, the bottom one, since it's not needed. And I can use any of the design idea if I want from the screen. I can also design any formatting from here. So I'm going to pick this one for now. Okay, now I want to start recording. So what I will do is I'm going to go to Insert and go all the way to Screen Recording, as you see here. It's showing me that now is going to record the background of my computer. I will open the PowerPoint again, since it's going to be part of the tutorial. And as you can see here, it's this dotted area shows where the recorded area is going to be. And since it doesn't fit correctly, I can either adjust the picture, or if I don't like it, I can click on select area and then click back again as much as I need from the screen. This one allows me to use the audio. If it's highlighted, that means it's whatever is recorded, it's also recording my voice. And this one is record pointer, where it shows where my mouse is going. Okay, I'm going to start with a new slide. And the video that I'm going to explain is going to be on this one. So I will start recording, and it's going to show 3 seconds to prepare. Okay, now I have this screen. It's recording my voice, it's recording everything that you see in here. What I'm going to do now is to go to Insert and pick a picture, because I want to talk about the picture. So I'll go to my file and then pick picture about food. I don't need this title here, so I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to show my picture. What can I do with this picture? I can use a draw, and this is a feature that's in PowerPoint now that's very useful, that works like a whiteboard. And I can pick any pen and circle or talk or write. So let's say I'm gonna write about Manakish, so I'm going to use it as a pen also, and I'm going to write Manakish. This is showing the student how to write the word. I can also use highlighter. I can erase. So if I don't like something, then I can click on it and it erases it, and then I go and write it back again. And also I can use a ruler, and the way to use the ruler is by clicking on the mouse and the ball of the mouse, and that's how it's moving. Or I can deselect it. Sometimes when we write in English, it might be able to understand it and fix it from handwritten to text. As an example, if I write, for example here, mana, let's see if it's going to understand it. So I click lasso select. I show that this is the word that I want to discover and see if it can understand it. Yep, so as you can see here, now the handwritten is typed. And if I want to see everything that I did, I can do ink replay, and it would show all the things that I wrote in here. When I'm done explaining things, I can also go and add another slide from home, a new slide, and I want it fully blank, and I want a white one. So I will go to design and I pick a white one and can go back to draw and then talk about anything that I want. Let's see, for example, I want to talk about let me pick a better pen and change the color. For example, I want a black instead of a blue, so I'll put الجملة الاسمية. And of course the writing here is not nice because I'm writing with a mouse. If you have an iPad or you have a touch screen, you can use a pen, a digital pen, and that writing will be very nice. And then I can explain whatever I want. I can, as I said, I can insert a video, online video. So I have a URL that I want to open, so I'll click it and it will load to this lesson. Okay, this is wrong, so I'm going to erase it here. Okay, this is how to use the PowerPoint. Once I'm done with the things that I talked about, I can also go back and then take the video out. Once I'm done, I go to insert, and as you can see, the screen recording here showing that it's still recording. So I click on the upper screen and pop-up screen, and I click either pause or stop. Now I have the file in here, so I'm going to play it for you, and I'm going to have this one actually in a new slide, so I'm going to put it here. And now I have all the recording that I did for this lesson, and you can see I can play it, not from here actually. If you need to click on slideshow and then click on it, and then it will show all the recording. Now I have this screen. It's recording my voice, it's recording everything that you see here. What I'm going to do now is to go to... So you get the idea. I'm going to stop now. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to go back, escape, and then go to my recording. And as you can see, I have now the title, I have the recorded screen, I have the picture that I used to do my recording. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me your feedback.